Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Let me tell you all something. I am trying very hard to not talk about packaging on this channel because it truly has nothing to do with the product and how effective it is, but holy wow, this product has some of the best packaging that I have ever seen in my life. I'm hoping that I love this product. This product retails for $45 and you get 1 fluid ounce. Hi everyone, this is me editing. I know I look crazy right now. It's 2 a.m. I just realized I forgot to put this in the video. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free, free of silicones and phthalates, and is also essential oil-free, so there is no fragrance in this product whatsoever, which is amazing. Some of the ingredients that Glow Recipe wants to highlight include 5 forms of vitamin C, guava extract, and seed oil, along with tranexamic acid. To learn more about all of the ingredients in this product, you can click the link in the description. Now, I haven't used very many vitamin C serums. I've used products with vitamin C in them and I've had no problem. Glow Recipe does say you can use this both day and night, but if you have more sensitive skin, try starting out with 3 to 4 times a week and build up as much as you need. Personally myself, I think I'm going to use this once a day in the morning because that's usually when I like to use anything with vitamin C in it because it is an antioxidant. There are 2 specific things that I'm looking for in this product. One of them being, does this cause any sensitivity? I know that sometimes vitamin C can cause sensitivity in your skin. Like I said, I haven't really used much of a hyper-focused vitamin C serum, so I'm really interested to see if this causes any sensitivity. Another thing that I am looking for is just how much progress do I notice with this product. This review is only going to last about 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how long it takes for me to find the things I'm looking for. I am curious if I do see any results with this product. I do have a few dark spots on my face right now and I think it's the perfect time to try out this product. I am going to continue doing check-ins with this product, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I just wanted to try this product on camera real quick and show you kind of how it looks when it applies. I did use this for the very first time yesterday and the first thing that I noticed was a little bit does go a long way, which is great because this product is a little bit more expensive than I would usually pay. So here's the product. So beautiful, so amazing. This just sitting in my bathroom counter, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out the product. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. So that was just 1 pump and it went across my face perfectly. It was the perfect amount for me. As you can see, it kind of gives it a little bit of a glow to it. It's very hydrating. I love the feel of it. I have no initial sensitivity. This product does have a little bit of a smell to it, but Glow Recipe said on their Instagram that it was just the natural guava scent of this product. There was no added fragrance or essential oils, which is amazing. Good job, Glow Recipe. By the way, I cleansed my skin before this and used some of my lighter weight serums. I usually use this serum last before a moisturizer. I would recommend using this directly before your moisturizer. I'm just gonna check in if I notice anything and if I see any progress or if there's anything else I need to let you all know. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I've been using it for about a week now. I actually am seeing some pretty good progress with my skin. It is slow progress, but it's definitely effective. I actually really like this product because it's caused no sensitivity so far. I put it on and it's actually pretty hydrating. And I don't use very much of the product. I use about 1 pump. I feel like this product will last me a long time. My hyperpigmentation was really bad over here. My skin has been doing a lot better since I've been using this product. I have also noticed that it's been brighter, so I'm hoping that I will continue to have good results with this product. A lot of their trial photos was after 6 weeks of using the product, so I definitely think that it's a slow process to seeing a lot of notable differences, but I have noticed that my skin complexion is a lot brighter and more clear. I am probably not going to check in again unless I see something else that I want to talk about, and if not, I will check back in with my final thoughts. Hi everyone, I am back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Let me start out by saying this trial only lasted about a week and a half, so I was not able to see any long-term benefits with this product, but I'm going to go ahead and dive into some of the things that I did find during this trial. First of all, I experienced no sensitivity whatsoever with this product. I feel like that this product is gentle enough where I could have used it twice a day. It leaves an amazing finish on my skin. It gives my skin a nice glow to it whenever I use it, and that's one reason why I like it so much. I love the feel of this product. It spreads very easily. I only used one pump of this product and it went all over my entire face, so I definitely feel like that this product will last longer. I did see some notable results from only using it once a day. Like I said, I didn't see any crazy differences with my skin, but I have seen some good results. I'm not suffering from any really bad hyperpigmentation right now, except for like right in this area right here, but I have noticed it fade just a little bit. Also, I just feel like my skin is a lot brighter overall. I feel like it's just made my skin less dull. Overall, I didn't have any negative experience with this product. The only thing that would keep me from repurchasing this product is the price for the amount of product that you get, but like I said, I used very little of it, and with this week and a half trial, I still have a lot of the product left. Like, it doesn't even look like I've touched the product. So if you're struggling from dull skin, I would definitely recommend this product. But yeah, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, I post reviews every week, so make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you all in the next video.